earmuffs, shovels, and duct tape, Long Islanders battle a monster snowfall. The blizzard of 2003.
Hi, this is Jim Fleming, Flemivision News 12, reporting to you on a cold February in the middle of a blizzard here on Long Island, where the snow is coming down approximately 1 to 2 feet an hour. The blizzard of the century, at least the blizzard of the week, certainly the blizzard of the month. As you can see, we've had quite a downfall, quite a snowfall. I've had a few downfalls in my life, but today is definitely one of the heaviest snowfalls that I can remember. I'm awfully old. Well packed and heavy. Anyone with a dislocated spine or any kind of lower back problems should probably not be out shoveling. That's why I've hired this neighborhood kid to shovel us out. And I even got him to do our neighbor's driveway, all for $1.25. A lot of the kids in the neighborhood have been eating the snow, so it's not quite as deep as it should look. But our cat was out earlier. We let him out first thing this morning. And unfortunately, the boy shoveling, in the process of unshoveling, he came upon our cat. So we threw him over behind the bush for now, the cat, and hopefully in the spring we'll try to get him buried once everything thaws out. Forecast for tomorrow I think is around 60. So this will all be melting and flooding down into our basement.
Will Long Islanders be able to weather this terrible storm? Tune in tomorrow and find out.
From Kings Park, this is Jim Fleming, Flemivision News 12. Stay warm.